Yeah, hello everyone. So, this one today is the recipe of my madam. I think it's gave to somebody, or I don't know, one mga families kumbaga ba. It's okay. Oh, that's what they do it. If they are making in the oven, that is the recipe of mga Iraqi. Yaks, Taipan. They cook more. More, cook more. Oh, kasi grabe. Anong mga spices na yan. Super. If done, I make 30 minutes that one. Para ano. Huwag mong itapon yung mga limon. Kasi ipanglinis natin yan. Para maputi nato dyan sa sink. Ayos. Or another one. Diba? Kasi mga lemon yan. You can use the lemon to clean the tangira. Oh, asa na yung mga lemon ko nandoon? Yung mga lemon ko. Ayan pa oh. Grabe, dami pa. You throw already you use all the lemon already. Okay. Tapos i-cover. Hindi naman yung preparation ko sa coco for the lunch. Diba? It's normal. Oh. But we are in the kitchen. Cooking. Oh, din yung mga sweet ko. Na-wake up na pala si Kuko. Na-wake up na si Kuko. Kaya nga. Just a minute, Kuko. I'm coming. I'm coming, don't smoke. That is the preparation. Put some palako yan. This one is the arrangement. Si Coco, she wake up already, so that's why you can hear their voice with Madam. They are in the kitchen. Okay. So it's okay. It's just the voice of the children, the baby girl. It's the baby girl, no. It's for the ready for the school. Everything is ready. Ayun yung bag. Yung boses ni Coco.